Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Android Studio Info. Now today I will create a list view. So first I will take the file of XML. So we define it about XML. So in this cases we take the value has its layout has a linear layout. So this case show in the form of linear layout. So in this cases this is should be a match parent and height should be a match parents, right? Okay, if you change this height into wrap content according to this item only selected, like if we change this like wrap wrap content, so look is similarly different to each other because we also take as a match parent. Okay, next we use Android versions layouts, so they are easily we write has like vertically orientation has a vertically, it's represent here its movement has a downward direction. So now we created a list view. First of all we should be assign this id is list view 1. Okay, now we uses list view 1 created, and next image parent uses, and next wrap content. Okay, what is the function of divider? Now we uses as a divider to basically divide this files, like if we clicking the right white, it should be name should be written in white colors. So if you want to change this, you should be change this like that. You just click there here and change the color of this functions. So next we defined about headers, like list selector indicated their colors here and indicated the list of colors. So if uses the list selector, that's change your color of the list where item you selected. Click on item listener. Okay, so next define about text view. You use text view. In this we use different type, like who uses as a text color white and text style bold and text size. So that's indicate that's your size is increases. Also having a text size means your list items size. Okay, so next we show your uh, main activity, like having a java files. So first of all we created a list view has a list. So list view indicated with the help of list. So secondly we store all this list values in all this value like string. So who uses has use different country names. If you want to any strings like class 1, class 2, class 3, you use any fruits lamb like apples, banana, orange, anything if you want. Okay, so who uses having their country names like Pakistan, Turkey, and Europe, Malaysia, etc. So next we overrided methods. So we first use list find view by id with the help of list view 1. This list view 1 is our reference id in XML. Now we show your XML files. Here you see their list view 1. Okay, so we with the reference of list view 1 you created a list, and this list is also in present in list view. Okay, so next who uses the array adapter. Use the simple, one of the best thing is in this is use simple list item 1. Okay, after this selected list item 1, adapter clear. Okay, so next we in this case who uses list set on item click listener. Okay, it's mean when you click here like item 1, item 2, item 3, this is index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4. Okay, has you compared with the values like if you clear right, if you selected a values of 1, this indicated your 0 as a Pakistan, and Iran has a 1, and Turkey has a 2. Similarly having a different index values. So if I just write it only have one values. So click listener here who uses the value of view I, so that's why who uses as a I. If you change their value as a position, then you should be right here as a position equal to 0. So if I write only one condition, if you want to next, so you should be right like if I equal to 0, then start activity is main activity. Main activity is here activity like main activity, oh sorry, main activity. So if this main activity go into this activity, like we created this type of activity like Pakistan activity, so in this way you easily move from one activity to another activity on the basis of set on item click listener. So that's close. If you want to set on another list, you should be copy that, and you also write here after this closing, you should be right here, paste here. Okay, you should be type here condition like 1. Okay, because 0 is uses should use 1. So now we use another country like Pakistan, like Iran. So we created another activity Iran. So go into new into activity, activity into empty activity. After this selection, you just write Iran, IRAN. Okay, after clicking that, you finish this. Okay, just still awaiting, and you will see there has a creating a two activity like Iran XML and Iran. So we just go into main activity, write Pakistan, replace with Iran. Okay, that's clear. So we will see there, if you clicking on first index 0, it's reach into Pakistan. If you clicking 1, then it reach into Iran. So we go into Iran, and we write here text view like split quotes. So he uses in the case relative layout. Okay, relative layout. So we use another text view, match parent, web content. Okay, now who uses here text, like who uses has a text welcome to Iran. Okay, so there is no show, so who uses like text size 40 sp. So that's here clear you. Okay, if we increases most 140, just for show you're clicking on if this. Okay, welcome to Iran. Similarly has we copy that and go into Pakistan XML and welcome to Pakistan. Okay, now we show in this run into emulator and see the result. Okay, now we will change here who uses the first if, and second who uses the else if, and if you want to another who uses also else. Now we run this program and also check this. Okay, now still await after progressing. And you see here application is working, and he also has a launching app. Now check in emulator, just waits. Okay, after coding we finalize our list view created and having a different country name. So when click on Tokyo, then its color show a list view selector, and we use this list view color for selecting item from list. So after clicking on Pakistan, it go into next activity, and after clicking on Iran, it go to next activity. So first of all we clicking on Pakistan, and then it go into welcome to Pakistan. So similarly as when we press in Iran, then it's going to welcome Iran. So please guys, like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. How to create list view on the basis of an item click listener. Well, so my channel is like and subscribe for more informative videos according to Android Studio and informative videos